Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create curved navigation bar in Flutter. Okay, I've created this new Flutter project and I've opened it on VS Code. Now let's open up the lib folder, and inside the lib folder let's create new file. Let's say root screen.dart file, and here let's create stateful widget, and let's change the class name to root screen. Let's return here scaffold. Okay, now open the main.dart file, and let's remove this stateless widget, and let's create new stateless widget. Let's change the class name to my app. Let's return here material app. Give the home to the material app that root screen we have just created, and you will get this blank white screen. Now let's remove this banner from the screen. Let's make debug show check mode banner to false, and it will remove this debug banner. Now close this file and open the browser and go to the pub.dev and search for curved navigation bar. Okay, you will get this package over here which has like 14.7k downloads for now. Click on this package, click on the installing tab. Okay, copy this command line, or you can just copy to the dependency in the pubspec.yml file, this file. Okay, I'm going to run this command in the project directory in the terminal of VS Code, and it will open the pubspec.yml file and roll down. As you can see, it added the new curved navigation bar package to our Flutter project. Now close this file and open the browser again and click on the readme tab, and here is the documentation how to use this navigation bar. Okay, now give the property bottom navigation bar inside the scaffold in the root screen, and type curved navigation bar, this one. Give the items list of icons. Let's give the icons dot home with the size. Let's give the size of 30. Okay, let's copy this and paste here a few more times. Okay, let's change the icon name. Let's send this to sorts. Change this to let's change this to shopping cart, and this one to let's send this to settings. Okay, save it, and if you open up the emulator, as you can see, here is the curve navigation bar. Okay, let's change the color of this navigation bar. Over here, let's give the color. Let's give the colors dot. Okay, let's give the deep orange accent and it will change the color of this navigation bar. Let's change this background also. Give the background color. Let's give the colors dot. Okay, you can give the transparent, or I'm going to use the white color. Okay, perfect. You can also give the bottom background color from here. Let's give the colors dot white, and it will change the bottom background color. Okay, I'm going to keep the same color of the navigation bar. You can also adjust the height from here. You can give the height. Let's give the height of 40, and you can adjust the height like this. I'm going to keep the default height. Okay, now let's give the index. We have the four buttons here. Let's keep the 3, and as default it is going to be selected this one, 0 1 2 3. Where you keep the 2, and it's going to be selected this one. and on page reload. Okay, on app start. Okay, now give the untap function. Okay, and come up here. Let's create the new page. I'm gonna say inside the lib folder. Let's create the new page. Let's say home page or home screen. So that file. And here let's create the stateless widget. Let's send the class name to home screen. Let's return here scaffold with the body center widget. Give the child a text. Let's write here home screen. Okay, now open the root screen.dart file and let's create the list of pages here. Final. Now import the home screen. Okay, we have first home screen and search. Let's write here center, child, and text. Let's write here source screen. Similarly, let's copy this center widget and paste it another 2 times. Let's send this to cart screen and this one to settings screen. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's create the variable here. Let's say int selected index equals to 0 and give this index that selected index, and as default is going to be selected 0. And here let's give the selected index. This is going to give the new value. Okay, on tap let's give the value here. Let's give the selected index this new value. Okay, on tap. Okay, here let's give the body index stack. Give the index that selected index and give the children list of pages. Okay, let's make the list of pages widgets. Okay, as you can see, on click it's going to show the home screen. Okay, particular screen. Okay, let's send the icon color also so that it will look better. Give the color to the icon. Colors dot white. Let's copy this color and paste it to the all icons and to look perfect. Okay, you can also check other property also. You can keep the animation duration. Okay, max width, etc. Okay, guys, this is how you can create the Curve navigation bar in Flutter by using the Curve navigation bar package. This package. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.